Assalamualaikum and very good day to everyone who's watching this video. So in this video, we are going to focus for second topic in Mathematics KSSM Form 5, which is matrices. Okay, so in this video, we are going to focus on 2.1, right? Basic operations on matrices, in which I will focus on addition and subtraction of matrices. Okay, so the first thing is that we are going to know how to add or subtract matrices. Okay, addition and subtraction of matrices, this one I got from textbook. Okay, so everybody can look at the textbook. Addition and subtraction of matrices can only be performed on matrices with same order. So very important here is that when we are going to add and subtract matrices, the matrices must be in the same order. Okay, that's the rule. Okay, if the matrices are not in the same order, then the matrices cannot be add or subtract. Okay, and how are we going to add and subtract the matrices? In which the corresponding element, okay, unsur yang sepadan is going to be added or subtracted to obtain the single matrix with the same order. So as we can see here, right, in the example here, if matrix A have A11 and matrix B B11, so end up when we add, we will add A11 plus B11. Okay, the first element in the first row and first column plus the first element in the first row and the first column for the second matrix to get the answer for A plus B. And same goes to subtraction. Right, so the first elements in the subtraction will be the subtraction of the first element A11 from matrix A minus B11 from matrix B. Okay, that's the simple rule of subtraction and addition of matrices. So let's see example. Here we have example. Matrix 1, 3, negative 2, 5 plus negative 3, 4, negative 7 and 8. So we are going to calculate the addition of these two matrices. Alright, so maybe all of you can do together with me. Okay, so you can just calculate in your mind. Okay, congak je dalam kepala, or maybe you can do one by one. So the answer should be the first element in the first row and the first column plus the first element in the first row and the first column of the second matrix. So it will be 1 plus negative 3. Okay, so that's the first element for our matrix. The second element will be negative 2 plus negative 7. Okay, so kita continue the same concept, the same rule for the third and the fourth element. So we have 3 plus 4 and 5 plus 8. Okay, so and then we just calculate. Okay, very simple calculation. Negative 1 plus negative 3, the answer is negative 2. Negative 2 plus negative 7 is negative 9. 3 plus 4 is 7. 5 plus 8 is 13. So this is the answer for the first example. Okay, so now let's look at another example. Okay, so kalau dah master, then you can just calculate in your mind. So you will have the answer is 1 minus negative 3. Okay, be careful with your minus and addition that involves negative values. Okay. So negative 5 minus negative 7, 2 minus negative 4, 9. Right, sorry. 9 minus 6. So this should be the answer for our matrices. Okay, so maybe I just simplified. So 1 minus negative 3 will be 1 plus 3. Yang bawah akan jadi negative 5 plus 7. Yang kanan akan jadi 2 plus 4. And then 9 minus 6. Okay, and then just calculate. You get 4, 2, 6 and 3. So that's the answer for our matrix. Okay, so now let's go for the third example. Okay, so now we have unknowns in the question. Okay, given 6x negative 4 5 matrix plus negative 3 1 negative y 3 is equal to matrix 3 negative 3 8 negative 9 z. So find the value of the unknowns x, y and z. Okay, so for this example, this kind of example, you don't have to calculate all elements in the matrices. Okay, just solve the elements that involve the variables needed. Okay, so for example here we have x here. So x will add with the second element. Okay, the second elements in the first row, second column. Okay, so the answer will be here. So we have equation x plus 1 is equal to 8. So automatic, we get the answer x is equal to 7. 8 minus 1. Very easy. So I think you can solve the second and the third variable. Okay, y dengan x boleh cari. Kira. Pak. So we have negative 4. Or maybe I can use another color supaya kita nampak lah kan beza dia. Alright. So negative 4, negative y, negative 9. So negative 4 plus negative y is equal to negative 9. Very easy then. So kita pun kira lah. Negative 4 minus y is equal to negative 9. Negative y is equal to negative 9 plus 4. Kita pindahkan 4 tu. So we have negative 5. So y is equal to 5. Very easy. So the last one should be, okay, bila kita tengok kat situ, 5 plus 3 is equal to z. So 5 plus 3 is equal to z. Allah, this one is very easy deh. So z is equal to 8. Yahoo, dabba-dabba-doo. Okay, so this one, another example in which the question asks you to find the matrix G. Given that matrix G plus another matrix 7, negative 4, negative 1, 5 is equal to matrix 6, negative 3, 7, negative 2. So, macam algebra lah, kita nak dapat G. So, what are we going to do? So, to get G, we will do matrix 6, negative 3, 7, negative 2, minus, because here is plus. So, bila pindah kanan, okay, when we move, alright, so to eliminate that matrix on the left side, it will be minus 7, negative 4, negative 1, 5. So you can just calculate, alright, subtract the element, okay, with the corresponding element. So kita akan dapat 6 minus 7, negative 3 minus negative 4, 7 minus negative 1, and 7, asyik salah tengok je. So negative 2 minus 5. So calculate the answer. You can use calculator or you can use your powerful mind. Then you have negative 1, 1, 8, negative 7. Correct? Yes. So this is how we solve questions involving addition and subtraction of matrices.